Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Twilio for SMS campaigns tied to CRM events, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Twilio for SMS campaigns tied to CRM events, start by creating a Twilio account if you don't have one. Once your account is set up, log in to the Twilio console. Navigate to the phone numbers section in the dashboard. Purchase a phone number that will be used for your SMS campaigns. Verify your phone number and ensure it is configured properly to send SMS messages. Next, go to the messaging section to review Twilio's messaging capabilities. Take note of the API credentials, including the account ID and auth token. In your CRM platform, check the settings for integrations or API access. Find the section where you can add a new integration and select Twilio. Using the API credentials, connect your CRM to Twilio by entering the account ID and auth token. Once the integration is established, configure the triggers for SMS campaigns based on CRM events. Identify the specific events in your CRM that will prompt an SMS notification. Create a template for your SMS messages that will be sent during these events. Test the integration by triggering one of the events in your CRM. Monitor the delivery and performance of the SMS messages in Twilio's dashboard. Adjust your SMS content and strategy based on feedback and performance metrics. Continue to refine your campaigns as needed to improve customer engagement and communication. Review Twilio's documentation regularly for any updates or new features that can enhance your SMS campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.